Warning. This video contains controversial facts. Proceed at your own risk. INFINITIPRO by Conair.
INFINITIPRO by Conair is an ionic hair dryer with superior function, Ionic Conditioning, from the leader in hair dryers, Conair Hair Care. Featuring ceramic technology plus frizz-fighting conditioning ions for less damage and more shine, this ergonomic hair dryer provides uniform heat for 50% faster drying and less damage. A cold shot button locks hairstyles in place and rocker switches make for easy handling. Includes 3 heat and 2-speed custom dryer settings for different hair types. A removable filter prevents lint buildup. Natural ion output helps fight frizz and bring out your hair's natural shine. Includes a concentrator nozzle for focused airflow to make hair smooth and sleek, plus a diffuser for textured hairstyles. From traditional bonnets to high-tech dryers equipped with cutting-edge technology, Conair has a great selection of hair dryers for every hair type and every hairstyle. Since 1959, we have made innovative small appliances, hairstyling tools, and more. Our hair care line includes high-quality hair dryers, brushes, styling tools, and hair accessories. As you can see, customers are just loving this dryer.
Now it's your turn. Please click the link in the description for more details. Thank you for watching my review. Have a great day.